linear differential equation is given, and here is the differential operator form of the differential equation. We want to find the general solution for this differential equation. So we have to take uh, the differential operator part equal to 0 and find the roots. So from here, if you take this one equal to 0, we have several factors. So it is D+1 equal to 0, D minus 6, D+1 squared, D minus 6 cubed equal to 0, D+5 equal to 0.